Now, if you remember, the whole plan here was to basically adapt this modern 2003 Silverado chassis to this classic C10 body, and that meant that we got to use the LS engine that was in the truck. Now, just because we've gone this far, we thought, why not go even further? And we went ahead and added these twin turbos to this engine because, well, why not? I mean, what's more hilarious than two turbos on this truck? The hot side piping is pretty much done right now, and I actually ended up kicking the turbos up a little bit higher because I want them to stick through the hood. So I added these little 180s right here, the wastegates, and then the turbo. The hood is going to sit right about here, so half the turbo is going to be peeking out of this. Now, one issue that can happen when you're dealing with turbochargers is you can have heat transfer. The heat can transfer from the hot side of the turbo into the actual compressor side of the turbo, and that heat can be introduced into the air that's also being compressed, and that can lead to engine detonation. So for over 40 years, Heatshield Products has been solving this problem with many different types of heat shield items. Now, they have turbo blankets. They have two different versions. They have the lava turbo blanket and the stealth turbo blanket. Now, the way it works is it's specifically built for every turbo. It's going to wrap around the hot side of the turbo, and what that will do is it will prevent the heat from that section of the turbocharger from bleeding into the aluminum on the compressor side. They also have heat blankets for our wastegates because this area right here gets incredibly hot. If we actually wrap that, keep the heat from the wastegate from transferring into the actual spring and diaphragm inside the wastegate itself, it will prolong the life of that wastegate. These two products will lower underhood engine temperatures by 60%. They can handle up to 1,800 degrees of temperature or up to 2,200 for those bursts of high boost sections for about 30 seconds. And they're just a great option if you have turbochargers in your vehicle because it'll keep all that heat from messing with all your compressed air.